How to create a Honkai Star Rail account. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you're looking for a way to start playing Honkai Star Rail, then first you need a Hoyoverse account. If you don't have an Hoyoverse account yet, then first of all download and open up the Honkai Star Rail game on your device, and as soon as the game loads, you will see this pop up. Here, you can go ahead and enter your existing credential if you already have a Hoyoverse account. If you don't, click on register now. Now you'll be taken to this registration page. Here, go ahead and enter a valid email address you want to play with. After you type down your email, go check these two boxes at the bottom and click next. On the next page, you'll need to verify your email. Go ahead and check your email inbox and enter the code that has been sent to you. And once you do that, you'll get to choose a new password and your account creation will be done. Check your inbox for the verification code and you'll receive one. Enter the code exactly as it appears while doing so. Agree to all the terms of service and privacy policy. And now choose your server and you can start the game. So that is how you can sign up for Honkai Star Rail for the first time. Wait until the additional resources are downloaded and you'll be good to go. So that's how you create a Honkai Star Rail account in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.